Sir, is there anything reason behind it in physics?
A reason behind
I mean,
physics?
related to this Hachi. Is there anything? Why we close our eyes when we are? I mean, what we can say in English? తుమ్ములు వచ్చినప్పుడు ఎందుకు సార్ we close our eyes? Is there any action, reaction, motion? I don't know physics actually. Just
Actually,
because it's probably because your eyes will pop out.
Sir, can you please tell
no,
me
not like
regarding
that.
any one
See,
point?
when you are coughing or sneezing, what happens? Your whole body will tremble, so your nervous system automatically reacts to it. So actually, the eyelids are there to protect your eyes. That's why automatically they close without any waiting for your
Wait, so
command.
it's true? It's true that your eyes will pop out?
No, it will never.
Eyes won't pop up, but eyelids will close the eye to protect. It's
Well,
all
what are the eyelids?
commands.
What are
Automatically
the
they will
eyelids
do.
protecting the eye from?
If anybody prick you with a pin, you want to tell the fingers to take back. You want if anybody prick on your hand, you won't tell your hand, dear hand, you come back because he is pricking. No, you won't tell it. But without any command from the main brain, it comes back. That is the what you call natural instinct of this thing. So that's why eyelids are closed when you sneeze.
Oh, that's
Not only that, so many, see, medical in terminology, some other view is there. For physics view, we are telling, if you sneeze and your body will be shake, and sound also comes. Whenever sound comes, see, it's all automation. All the organs are receiving something and they are giving some reaction. That's what happens.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much for your clarification. And we are very privileged to have you. And we are very happy to attend your class, sir. Thank